Hi, this is Zen, the Crypto Queen, and I just wanted to make a quick video. A friend, Charlie, thank you. Always giving you shout outs because you send me cool information. I just wanted to share this tweet on X with you. I don't know this person personally, but as I said, Charlie forwarded the tweet, so I took a look at it. I'll also give you a couple of comments that will kind of twist where Mike went with this, but you know, I just thought I'd read it to you and give you a little information and try and stay to the end because I want to talk to you about XRP and MASTERCARD. Okay. As some high-profile accounts are saying the banks are collapsing, that must also mean the credit markets are collapsing. In a return to a gold standard, and every financial institution, sovereign government knows it's coming. How can the XRP, XLM maxis be so sure that these digital transmission vehicles will be adopted by all the BRICS nations? BRICS, FYI, is Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. Okay, back to this. As a way to move away from SWIFT transmission, everyone in BRICS has already developed their own digital transmission vehicles outside of XLM, XRP. They were developed in response to the U.S. kicking Russia out of SWIFT, which then pushed everyone else to leave the SWIFT system and develop their own digital messaging platforms for digital payments. I'm not aware that Russia has been fully kicked out of SWIFT, so let's read this with a grain of salt. Why am I being attacked by the XRP, XLM bots? Because I am disrupting their narrative, which is a BlackRock narrative. One thing I'm certain of is the return to a gold standard. Okay, well, we'll see, Mike. And XLM, XRP are not the be-all, end-all. Okay. So anyway, I guess he was challenging Vandal / Black Swan here. We challenge all ideas, concepts, and thinking. My brother and I love to poke holes in anyone's logic. Yeah, well, so do I. But one of the first comments was you need to dig deeper, which I appreciate because, you know, sometimes people tweet, you know, and this is why I stay off of X for the most part. You know, there's a handful of people that I'll follow on there, but some people are just full of bull. So you got to watch who you're watching, okay? Because there's nothing else. It's not that they're attacking you. They're just surprised that you're such a weak researcher, that you have such weak research when it comes to XRP. It's like flat earth. There's no such thing as a former flat earther for a reason. Just like once researched, there's no former XRPer. Fact. Okay, so yeah, if you need a little more research, hit me up in the comments. I'll send you to places where you can get a little bit more research. Okay. One more clown. That's funny, Raymundo. I think you should do a lot of research on blockchain and distributed ledger technology. Just like the internet changed, the world of digital assets will change. Yeah, fact. So yeah, go do some research and then tweet. So that's enough about that. I think, you know, if you're not aware of, you know, BRICS setting off on their own and doing their thing, that's another thing to research, you know. I'll make another video about BRICS. I think I did one, so check in my listing of all videos and see if you spot one there. But I'll make another one real soon. I also wanted to show you this because my Christo probably should have looked at this first, okay? Yeah, so will the real stable coin please stand up? And this is from the Monetary and Economic Department. Let's go to the most important part right here. Stable coins for cross-border payments. And if you've heard of XRP at all you ever hear is cross-border payments, okay? So, you know, when you live in the United States, most people are not all that concerned about cross-border payments, but there's a whole big world out there, and they are using that, okay? So, that part that's underlined, 2 digital currencies that fall into this category are RippleNet's native digital currency, Ripple, XRP, and Stellar Networks' native cryptocurrency, the Stellar Lumen, XLM. Both Ripple and Stellar enable faster, more efficient cross-border payments relative to correspondent banking. However, they differ that the former aims at improving cross-border settlements between international banks, whereas the latter aims at providing low-cost cross-border payments, financial services, to end users and the unbanked population, okay? Unbanked meaning, let's say people in Africa, okay? We're in the U.S., we can go to a bank, we have ATMs, you can do online banking, you could go into an actual physical place and do things with money, right? A lot of parts of this planet, that is in fact not true, okay? So that's stable coins and cross-border payments. So you know what, you can call me a XRP maxi or whatever you would like to call me, but the truth is that you know, it's going to be part of your future. You may or may not even know about it when they flip a switch and shift from SWIFT to XRP, because everything happens in the back office of an online banking transaction, right? I mean, do you question that? Probably not. Also, I read an article about MasterCard getting involved with XRP. That's been out for a couple days. So I think there's going to come a day when you can just use your MasterCard, download your XRP into it, and use it. UPHOLD has it. They actually sent me a card, and then they told me to destroy the card because they're not going to be able to do it in the U.S. for some time. So we'll see when it happens with MasterCard in the U.S. and other parts of the world. And I think that'll be an exciting day. And I also read an article that sometime in, let's see, second quarter of 2024, XRP could hit $27. I think this is an interesting price prediction because it didn't exactly say based on what. But if a lot of these things that are in the works happen to come true, it's January, February, March, April. Yeah, that's the beginning of second quarter, and that would not shock me in the least. Yeah, I think it'll be in the double-digit range, if not higher. And so I'm going to say if it goes to 27, you're going to see 50 really quick. So all of you who are consider yourself XRP maxis, by the way, this is not financial advice. I just share what I do, what I hold, how I research things. That's it. And you know, if you're an XRP maxi or you're just holding a nice bag of XRP and XLM, well, hold on, because I think it's going to be a nice ride in 2024. And I'll catch you on the next video. I'm heading out of town tomorrow, so I'll be gone for part of December. So I'm wishing you all a happy holiday season, no matter what you're celebrating. Hanukkah, Christmas, all that. And I will catch you on the next video. Thank you all for being here with me. I love you all, and I'll catch you on the next one. Ciao for now.